Good.
I'm Dr. Philip Yu. I'm the founder and president and clinic director of the 21st Century Laser Pain and Brain Institute in Newport Beach, California, our worldwide headquarters, where chronic pain sufferers fly in for unresolved peripheral neuropathy, bone-on-bone knee arthritis, neurodegenerative diseases of the brain, fibromyalgia, what have you. And I'm gonna do a surprise visit on our what type of patients we see and what progress they're getting. So we have, where's Patricia's chart here? Is it in there?
Most likely.
Okay, and then Donnie's in there too. All right, come on, follow me. Let's go. All right, so I'm gonna do the rounds today. First we have Patricia here, and she came in for some issues of peripheral neuropathy. And how have your feet responded after just a few sessions?
Quite well. Actually, this is my...
Come closer.
This is my...
The voice isn't good, so...
This is my third treatment. And I have noticed an improvement in the sharpness of the pain that was going into my toes.
Really?
Very electrical.
Just after 3 laser and magnet treatments?
It's improved, I would say.
Wow.
Yes.
And I'm sure you've been to a lot of specialists before coming to us, correct?
Not really.
Yeah, because you don't like all the drugs and stuff, right? You're not our typical patient, because most patients, they're failed cases. They come here after seeing every specialist in town. You know, your Dr. Steins, your Dr. Rosens, the Dr. Lee Smiths, Patels, and we are like the last stop before surgery or failed surgical patients.
Yeah. No, I would say that this is my third treatment, and basically, aside from that, you know, I have discoloration in my shins.
Yes.
And that is improving a little bit.
Well, let's take a look. So I noticed that all your leg was all purple, and now only this part.
Yes.
So it's clearing out. Isn't that amazing?
Yes, it is.
And your friend who came here, Ollie.
Yes.
We had another patient from Newport Beach, her friend coincidentally, Ollie, and she had the vasculitis of the legs. That's when you lose your circulation, you get the ulcers. It cleared up for her too. So isn't this amazing?
Well, it is amazing. So this has been going on for some time.
Yeah.
And also very, very tender to touch.
Yeah.
And now it's a little bit less tender.
Less tender to touch.
This is my third treatment. Yes.
That means
the
myelin sheath, the nerves that branch into her legs, is starting to remyelate, regenerate normal nerve tissue through the process of photobiostimulation. The laser opens up the blood vessels to deliver nitric oxide and oxygen in blood, so the skin, the vasculitis, the peripheral nerves in her feet causing the shocks, pains, and numbness is being restored without drugs or surgery. All right.
I like it.
Let's figure out what's going on over
100%.
here. She's just starting the treatment. As you can see, she's on the world's most powerful pulsed electromagnetic field therapy. It was FDA cleared, as shown in the Dr. Oz show, for post-surgical pain, swelling, depression, and bone formation after fractures. We're starting to rebuild her nerves here, and she's looking younger every day too. Then we have Donnie Richardson, the famous center fielder from the Chicago Cubs back in the late 80s. And could you tell me what brought you in the clinic, Don, and what improvements have you had after 1 laser magnet treatment? Come close to get your voice.
Well, I came in because my neck was so compressed. I had bone-on-bone disc degeneration, and we decided to come in and try it. We're from Florida, and after 1 treatment, I slept so soundly, and I didn't wake up every hour.
Because you had insomnia too, because of pain.
Yeah, every hour I'd wake up. But after the night after the treatment, I woke up, and it felt I had no pain. So I tried to stay up another hour just to get that for that pain relief, because I'm not used to it.
Yeah,
it was so amazing.
Your normal is to be a 10 on 10 out of pain all day, so it was weird not to have the pain, right?
And it felt so good. I tried to stay awake.
Okay,
so it was amazing.
And today, what we're going to do is not only are we going to still work on the insomnia with the neurofeedback light treatments, we're going to continue to do the pulse electromagnetic field therapy to regenerate normal nerve tissue. It's been damaged from all the Major League Baseball injuries, the concussions from his NASCAR driving days, and just rebuild his body from the top down we get the brain functioning correctly, the joints and nerves. He's going to go back in the MLB, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, there you go. I know the Angels are hiring, so
Yes.
all right. And we have his wife here, and she's going to give her. She's also a doctor too, and what she's experienced in Donnie's recovery after this one treatment. Could you give her an interview right there? Yeah. Just say your background and what you've seen.
My name is Dr. Diana Lawson. I'm a chiropractor. I've been in practice for about 16 years now. And I've done a lot with nutrition, and chiropractic, massage, and always looking for new healing modalities, especially since I had a father with Lyme disease, and regular medical treatment didn't help him. So we're always looking for the next thing, cutting edge, and what we've found is energy medicine is the newest thing that seems to be helping people, especially with what Dr. Yu is doing, because I've looked into other lasers before and saw some results, but just minimal, nothing like what is happening here at this clinic. And with working with Donnie, I've gotten him much better, but because of the injuries, bone on bone, and all the other things going on, it was limited with what I could do. And so I've been working on him about 5.5 years, and with one treatment, what they were able to do for Donnie is just unbelievable and just joyful, such a blessing.
All right, and today what we're going to do is, because Donnie developed some near bone-on-bone arthritis in his knee, we're going to actually do a knee regenerative treatment to stimulate stem cells to actually regenerate the knee joint if it's not beyond repair. Okay, now that's been proven in a study of rats. After 30 red laser treatments, they were able to regenerate the meniscus in the rat joint that was bone on bone. And rats are used for all medical experiments before it's cleared by the FDA. They're only 3% genetically different, so we believe that's why somebody 97-year-old could come in here on crutches and walk out without pain on their knee. I mean, that's the results we're getting with this energy medicine. So thank you for watching Dr. Philip Yu 21st Century Pain and Brain Institute. And this was just a impromptu, a typical day at the Lasermed Institute and what miracles is happening. So thank you.